Hey guys, welcome back to Life Hack It. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun with some tips and tricks, anywhere ranging from taking care of your pet to cleaning and very weird uses for everyday items like salt and ketchup, crazy stuff. We're gonna have a lot of fun, so let's life hack it. For headaches, there is usually the aspirin, the ibuprofen, all that fun stuff. But the nutritionist told me to try 8 to 12 almonds. I tried them. It worked most of the time. Poison ivy is one of those horrible herbs that cause such terrible irritation on the skin. You have to be careful with that sap because it can get through other body parts. So not only do you have to clean your hands really well, but if you want to reduce the redness, taking the area and soaking it with a little bit of water and salt will help reduce that itching and redness that happens with poison ivy. So this is my little friend Pepita. She is an 8-year-old rescue Chihuahua. And I learned a really cool trick that I have tried with this one. Believe it or not, this one runs fast. Maybe not today, but anyway. What I learned was if for any reason you're on the street and your dog gets off the leash and is running away from you, as soon as that happens, literally drop to the ground. As soon as you fall to the ground, your dog may actually think you're hurt, and it is their instinct to come back to you and make sure you're okay. So try that and see what happens. I tried with this one, as I said. That is not gonna work. You let me know how that works for you. You had too much fun at the pool and your ears are filled with water. You can try to jump on the side, but the last thing you want to do is slip and fall. So here's the trick. If you have a rubber balloon, great. If you don't, then pretend you do and blow as if you were trying to inflate that balloon. The pressure will help relieve that water in your ear. Thank you for watching this episode, and hopefully you learned a lot as much as I did. For example, the jewelry got clean, but the smell of that chemical reaction was awful. So make sure you do it in an open airflow or something like that. Also, when we did the fabric and we poured wine on it and one of them had salt, make sure you rinse that off really well, because mine, I don't think I rinsed it off well, so it ended up a little dirty. I'm sure with a wash it will come off. And until next time.